In this video, I will be explaining how to link your Vibe server to your GroupWise server and enable your users access to Vibe from their GroupWise client. After you have your GroupWise server along with your Vibe server set up and running, log into the GroupWise admin console as the GroupWise administrator. From there, we're going to navigate to the object we want to enable access to Vibe. I say object because you have the ability to give access to users at a user, post office, or domain level. For this example, we will just enable it at a post office level. The method is the same for all three options. Once logged into the GroupWise admin console, we will navigate to the post office, then click Client Options. You'll notice now that a new window pops up for the client options of that post office. From here, we will click the Integrations tab, which is where you can specify different things to integrate into the GroupWise client. Since it defaults to Vibe, we won't need to select anything else. From here, we will simply check the box to enable Microfocus Vibe and provide the URL to access Vibe. When entering this URL, it is important to remember that it will be the same as the URL you use to access Vibe from a browser. If you haven't set port redirection up on your Vibe server, you'll need to provide the port after the URL. Once you have enabled Vibe within your client options of the post office, your users will notice that there is a new Vibe section in their GroupWise client. Now, in order for GroupWise users to take advantage of the GroupWise Vibe integration, they must provide their GroupWise email address in their Vibe profile. This should already be the case if you use the same LDAP source for both GroupWise and Vibe. Now that users have their Vibe enabled on their GroupWise client, they will simply click the new Vibe button and log into Vibe. From there, they will have a simple view of their Vibe profile within their GroupWise client. And that does it for setting up access to Vibe for users within their GroupWise client.